Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into the full review of the 2025 Nissan Patrol, a full-size SUV that continues to command attention with its bold personality, off-road capability, and refined luxury. The new model year brings subtle design updates, more technology, and improved performance to keep it relevant in an increasingly competitive SUV market. Right off the bat, the 2025 Patrol looks as imposing as ever. The exterior design maintains the muscular and broad stance, but with a few modern touches that make it feel fresher. A redesigned front grille, sharper LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic bumper give the front fascia a modern yet aggressive look. The side profile remains largely the same, with its high beltline and squared-off shape, but new alloy wheel designs and more premium trim accents elevate its road presence. Around the back, the taillights now feature a more futuristic LED signature, while the bumper and exhaust detailing have been slightly reworked for a sleeker finished stepping. Inside the cabin, the Patrol has clearly embraced modern luxury without compromising on space or practicality. The dashboard is cleaner, featuring a large dual-screen setup with a digital instrument cluster and a revamped infotainment system that's faster and more intuitive. The materials used throughout the cabin feel upscale, with soft leather upholstery, real wood accents, and brushed metal trims. There's ample room in all three rows, making it a great choice for families or long-distance travel. Nissan has focused on comfort and tech this year, so you'll find ventilated and heated seats, ambient lighting, wireless charging, and an upgraded Bose premium sound system that truly enhances the in-cabin experience. Rear passengers also benefit from individual climate zones and entertainment screens on select trims. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Patrol doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, it continues with its powerful 5.6-liter V8 engine, delivering around 400 horsepower and 560 Newton-meters of torque. The powertrain is mated to a smooth-shifting 7-speed automatic transmission. While the Patrol is not the fastest SUV out there, it offers a confident and commanding drive both on highways and rugged terrains. What sets it apart is its off-road prowess, with Nissan's intelligent 4x4 system, multiple terrain modes, and hydraulic body motion control that keeps the SUV stable even on the most uneven tracks. Whether you're towing, climbing dunes, or cruising through city traffic, the Patrol stays composed and capable. Pricing for the 2025 Nissan Patrol varies depending on the market and trim level, but it generally starts around $55,000 and can climb past $75,000 for the fully loaded Platinum or Nismo editions. While that's not exactly budget-friendly, you're paying for a blend of ruggedness, luxury, and space that few SUVs in this class offer. To wrap up this review, the 2025 Nissan Patrol continues to strike a balance between brute strength and refined comfort. It may not have the same badge appeal as some European rivals, but what it lacks in prestige, it makes up for in reliability, performance, and sheer presence. If you're in the market for a luxury SUV that's just as capable in the desert as it is in the city, the Patrol deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.